Hello friends, hi. In my last video, we saw how to keep children away from mobile. As we also saw that keeping children away from mobile all of a sudden would be a difficult task, or it would just minimize the number of hours. Let us see how we can use it in a creative way, which will also enhance the spirit of a child to stay away from mobile. Okay, now looking about the gadgets, basically this is a very informative technology as well. There are a lot of things on the handset or on the mobile with different softwares if we use it in the right way. Now the basic thing with children is children do not know everything, or you can say about different softwares of how to use it. But you as a parent, when you are trying to keep away your child from mobile, one important thing you can do is lock the channels or delete the channels which are not needed for your child. Maybe the applications. Okay. Second, when your child is using a mobile, avoid giving him games just for the sake of playing. Because basically the children use mobile to watch videos, to watch cartoons, or to play games. Okay, give them the games which are basically somewhere around their studies, around their curriculum, from which they would learn something like match A with B, or matching of colors, or identifying colors, identifying animals and their kids, young ones, or maybe festivals. It is like match A with B, something of that sort, or a jigsaw puzzle wherein a child's creativity is enhanced. Also, the mobile can be used in a way to improve your child's communication and creativity and understanding as well. If you give a child a channel in which, or a YouTube channel in which various good stories with a good moral are narrated, let the child hear it and make it a practice that when the child will hear that, he would at the end of the day somewhere narrate the same story to you. Also, you have an option of languages, so you can go for English, Hindi, Marathi, or any regional language which you want to teach your child. So that is the best option where child can learn the language. Second is he improves his communication, his vocabulary improves when he hears the videos, the new words, new sentences. That of course improves his vocabulary. Third thing you can use here is if the child is quite a small kid and the mother is busy, many a time it happens that the child ends up watching a video which is actually of no use to him. So if you show some videos in which, suppose we take an example of a clay, in which a clay art is shown, like what can be made out of a clay, how it can be made. Okay, and after watching that video, if you give the same clay to the child to make creative things out of it, definitely the child would try to make something that he has seen in the YouTube channel or in the video. Okay, so in this case the child's creativity enhances. It is possible that the child may come to you and complain that he is not able to do it. Of course, you will have to support him, make him understand how the things are done, how the clay is made into creative art. That you will have to explain him. But yes, that will definitely help the child understand how different animals or birds or tree, house and all is built. Okay. Similarly, you can do the same thing with different arts such as drawing also. There are very simple videos of how to draw a house, how to draw a tree, or how to make a memory picture or something like that. Some simple videos can be shown to the child to enhance his drawing skills as well. There are many channels on videos and YouTubes which can be actually used in the right way. Now, you will also say that in the last video I have tried to keep the child away from mobile, and in today's video I am telling you how you can again give the different tools for the child to see on YouTube or in different videos. But as we saw in the last video, that if your child is addicted to the mobile, it will not happen all of a sudden that he will leave the mobile. When you are encouraging him to move away from the mobile, but it will happen that during the day he will definitely catch up some 1 to 2 hours to minimize his time on the mobile. But still, what you can do is this 1-2 hours you can use it for his benefit. for his creativity, his imagination, and his improvement in his creative thoughts. Okay, so you know the best what your child needs. You know the best when he needs to improve. You will have to search on YouTube, you will have to search on various videos and subscribe those so that your child makes best use of it. Explore your child to those videos, those channels which he needs to watch. Okay, maybe storytelling, maybe drawing, maybe clay art, maybe something, making some craft, some sort of craft. Okay, or if your child is quite a grown-up child, in probably in the secondary section, maybe in the 8, 9, 10 section, wherein now we are thinking of what the child would like to go ahead and do, then you can actually show him inspirational videos and inspirational talks wherein the child understands his responsibility and his career path. How he can select his career path is an important decision which the child takes during all these years. Okay, I hope these small tips can definitely help you to engage the child with the mobile in the right way. Okay, as the child would get more interest in drawing by looking at the various videos, he will automatically stop looking at the videos and start his own creation. Probably it would happen in same would happen in the case of clay as well. If the child starts molding the clay in the right way, he would leave the mobile aside and he would like to go with his own creativity. Okay, so now this is your job, how you find out channels and how you subscribe them for your child. All the best.